Let's begin by gently warming up and loosening your joints. This 12-minute Tai Chi workout helps burn belly fat and reduce visceral fat. Gentle, no jumping, just smooth movements that leave you feeling lighter, stronger, and refreshed. Just follow along and start moving now. Exercise 1. Three, two, one, start. Hinge forward with a long spine as your arms sweep into a wide arc. Move slowly and feel a gentle stretch through your back and shoulders. Exercise 2. Three, two, one, begin. Lower into a stable horse stance as your hands descend with quiet strength. Stay grounded through your feet and move with smooth, controlled breathing. Next exercise. Three, two, one, join me. Rise smoothly from your horse stance as your hands float overhead. Keep the motion light and continuous, allowing your whole body to lengthen with ease. Exercise 4. Three, two, one, let's begin. Lift one knee with relaxed control as your arms open gently to the sides. Stay balanced, keep your gaze steady, and move with quiet confidence before switching sides. Exercise 5. Three, two, one. Follow along. Open your arms wide as you settle into a comfortable squat. Then bring your hands together overhead. Move with calm control and let the motion flow effortlessly from start to finish. Exercise 6. Three, two, one. Move with me. Raise one knee with smooth control as your hands lower into position. Stay balanced on your standing leg and keep the movement calm, steady, and effortless before changing sides. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Begin. Step gently to the side as your arms float overhead in a soft arc. Keep your body relaxed and shift your weight smoothly with steady, effortless balance. Exercise 8. Three, two, one. Join me. Open your chest as your arms gently separate from overhead. Breathe naturally. Lift through your heart and let the stretch feel light, open, and refreshing. Exercise 9. Full body relaxation. Let your whole body soften as you return to a comfortable standing position. Breathe slowly Release any remaining tension and enjoy a calm, peaceful finish to your practice. You've just given your body 12 minutes of gentle, mindful movement, and every session counts. Lasting results come from staying consistent, not pushing harder. Keep practicing with me, and you'll feel stronger, move better, and enjoy the benefits every day. Subscribe and join the next session.